So in this video, we are going to learn the use of the function getChar, getChe, and getCh, and we will see the difference between these three methods. Let us start with getChar. The standard definition of getChar is written in the stereo.h. Let me run the program. It is asking me to scan a character. Let's say I am giving A. So it is simply printing the character that I have given. Again, let me run this program again. I am giving a character G, and it is printing that character again when I am pressing enter. So you have noticed, as soon as getChar method is called, it required us to give a character from keyboard. When we give a character, then we have to press enter in order to assign that particular character to the left hand variable. So we have to press enter. So in this particular line, it comes when it calls this particular method and take an input character, and when we press enter, then it returns that particular character to this variable after pressing the enter. I am pressing F, then I am pressing enter, then it get assigned and the next statements are executed. Now let me start with getChe. So this method is present in conio.h, and now I am just taking the character from getChe method. It is asking me to enter a character. So as soon as I am pressing the character, it is not asking me to press enter in order to complete that function and return the character. Let me just give /n over here again. As soon as I am pressing J, it is immediate executing the next statement. So this method, as soon as it executes, and when we press a character from our keyboard, it immediate returns that particular character over here to this variable. Also, one thing we have to notice, when we press the character, it not only returns that particular character but also print that character, so that we are able to view what character we have given. In the first line you can see enter a character, then we have pressed the character, it is printed on the screen, then assigned, then terminate this function. So this function is taking the character from our keyboard and printing that character and return that character from this function. Now let us start using getCH. So getCH is a function present in conio.h. Now let me run the program. So as soon as I am entering a character, it is not printing that particular character, it simply returns that character from the function getCH and assigned to it. So as soon as this function is called, it is waiting to get an input character from keyboard, and once we press a character, then it will not print, it will simply return that character from this function. So the basic difference between getCher, getChe and getCH is that getCher takes an input character and waiting to press enter from keyboard in order to return that character, and also it print that particular character to the screen as soon as you input that character. And getChe, it will take the character, then print, then return that character from the function. Then getCH, it will take a character and without printing, it will simply return. So that's all. Thank you so much.